Hi everybody, hope everybody's having a nice Friday, getting ready for the weekend. We just got word that I have to stay home and stay away from work from Governor Cuomo here in New York. So tonight I'm home, I'm making dinner, and I just wanted to tell you what I'm making. I know it's Lent and I'm making shrimp and mussels, but I just happened to find these mussels in my freezer. So they're really great. They cook in 6 minutes. And I have some manzoni, half a box. I cooked it up with the thing. I zhushed this up with a little hot pepper flakes, and I chopped up a fresh tomato, and I also added like a handful of frozen peas and carrots, just to liven it up a little. And I also had these. I always keep a bag of frozen shrimp in my freezer, and I took out 10, which I cooked with the shrimp in with the spaghetti water. So I didn't cook them with the mussels. I cooked them with the spaghetti. So now I'm gonna put them together. I'm gonna drain make a little noise. Let's make a little noise. I'm gonna drain the spaghetti and the shrimp. And okay, very good. And actually I'm gonna put it back in the pot because I'm gonna add the sauce. I'm gonna put the sauce in here, which this is the sauce. The mussels and the tomatoes and the peas and whatever. I'm gonna toss it in here. I'm off camera right now, but I am tossing it in. That was my mom walking by. She's so here we are. We got a whole pot. Just gonna mix it up, and I have some pecorino romano cheese, just the ends of it, and I'll tell you, I'm gonna put the whole thing in. And tomorrow I'm gonna try my luck and try to replace the cheese. We'll see what happens. And it's a little dry because there's a lot of pasta, so what I like is I always save a little pasta water, and I add it to the pasta. It makes a nice sauce. I'm making a mess, but I drain the spaghetti over a dish so I can keep the pasta water, some of it anyway. And I just add it in, and you got a whole pot of goodness. A little spaghetti. I'm gonna dish it up. Come on, Ma, it's time to eat. Go sit down, Ma. You hungry? We got a little spaghetti, we got a little shrimp, a little tomato, a little mussel. And this is tonight's dinner. So I hope you have a great night and a wonderful weekend. And talk to you later.